Hello, good morning, student. This is Ramnaul Yadav, your SP professor, and today we are going to discuss about competency statements. The syllabus SP for the whole year. Topic in SP we have 12 chapter. So first we discuss the syllabus. First is sources of corporate finance, and in that we have to understand the concept of corporate finance and its importance, understand meaning of capital structure of a company, understand various sources of owned and borrowed capital, compare different sources of finance. It means how the finance is arrived and how the competency found along procedure. And second lesson we have the provision, capital raising, how the shares issued in the market along with debenture and somehow the acceptance of public deposits. Understand the provision and procedure to issue of shares, debenture and acceptance of public deposit. Well, public deposit itself is an lesson. Lesson number 5 we'll discuss in that, and that we have third chapter, secretarial correspondence. That's develop communication skills related to members. Today then which chapter which is important and how much makes the carry. And first we have debenture holder and debenture holder. In that we have some letters which written by company secretary, that how the correspondence is being done in the corporate world. Somehow the letters are coming in the exam more. For depository system, then 20 marks its exam actually is very scoring. Then we have depository system. It makes understand the concept of deposit system and its importance, know the constituents of deposit system, how the online process works, learn the functioning of deposit system, payment of dividend and interest. This is the fifth. Understand the concept of dividend and interest, compare between interim and final dividend, learn about provision or sources and for declaration and payment of dividend. 6. Financial market. Understand the meaning of financial market, know the types of financial market, learn about the different types of financial instrument, understand the meaning and function of stock exchange, know about BSE and NSE, understand the different terms related to stock exchange, understand the role of SEBI in capital market. Chapter number 1, Introduction to Corporate Finance. In this chapter we have learned raising of finance and using of finance by a corporation. Chapter number 2, Sources of Corporate Finance. There are different sources of corporate finance. So owned fund, borrowed fund, these are the sources of corporate finance. Third chapter, issue of shares. Fourth, issue of debentures. And fifth, deposits. Sixth chapter, correspondence with members. Seventh, correspondence with debenture holder. Eighth, correspondence with depositor. these three chapter, that is scoring. So we can score 720 marks, 9 deposit system, 10 dividend and interest, 11 financial market, and 12 stock exchange. So once again we revise chapter name. First chapter, introduction to corporate finance. Second, sources of corporate finance. Third, issue of shares. Fourth, issue of debentures. Fifth, deposits. Seventh, correspondence with debenture holders. Eighth, correspondence with depositors. Ninth, deposit system. 10, dividend and interest. 11, financial market, and 12, stock market. Thank you.